Hello everyone, this is the question asked in GATE 2021 Civil Engineering Set 2. We have been given with a passage. The author said, musicians rehearse before their concerts, actors rehearse their roles before the opening of a new play. On the other hand, I find it strange that many public speakers think they can just walk onto the stage and start speaking. In my opinion, it is no less important for public speakers to rehearse their talks. Based on the above passage, which one of the following is true? So, we have to deduce which one of the following given statements is true according to the passage. So to answer this question, let's look at some insights. Now, in such type of passage, we always need to find the logical meaning from the passage and point to the most closest options given. And we need to stick to whatever information that is given in the passage, even though that information might not be factually correct, but we can't assume anything on our own. So let's use this idea and solve this question. So the first statement which is given to us is that the author is of opinion that rehearsing is more important for musicians, actors, and public speakers. Now, according to the passage, in the view of the author, it is no less important for a public speaker to rehearse their talks. That means that all the public speaker, actors, and musicians have to rehearse their talks before coming into play. So the first option seems to be true. Now let's look at the other options. The author is of opinion that rehearsing is less important for public speakers than for musicians and actors. Now, this is a straight contradictory to the last statement, which is given that it is no less important for public speakers to rehearse their talks. So statement 2 is incorrect. Let's look at statement 3. It states that the author is of opinion that rehearsing is more important only for musicians than public speakers. Again, this is a contradictory statement as given in the last part of the passage, where the author specifically says that all three parts are equally important. The last statement says that the author is of opinion that rehearsal is more important for actors than musicians. Now, the author has made no distinction between actors and musicians, and even public speakers. So option D is also incorrect. So the only option that is correct is option A. So option A is the right answer. Thank you.